Welcome back to Holden Built. If it looks like I'm wearing the same clothes from the last video you guys saw of me building this lovely welding protective roller shield thingy, it's because it's the same day. It's Sunday. I'm down here at the shop working on cars, getting content out there for you guys. So you're welcome. My clutch slave cylinder on my very first high school car shat the bed. And the last video you guys saw of me working on this, it didn't end up getting finished, and I got put on the back burner. And Mustard was not happy about that because it wasn't doing donuts in the rain. Okay? Because this thing makes 850 million horsepower. I don't know why this looks like the McDonald's spec engine, but apparently it is. I got to throw some donks on here. Me replacing the slave cylinder, welding a little new acorn nut so I can properly adjust the clutch fork, that sort of thing. Found out that my master cylinder was bad because the push rod on it had no feel whatsoever. Went back over here to feel if the push rod had any sort of play on it or if it was doing the same exact thing last time. And sure enough, it had some feel to it, okay? It had a pressure behind it. And I hooked the pedal back up to that push rod to the master cylinder. And I got pedal feel back, folks, which is really awesome. Even though like a new master, I don't know how that works. Air must have bled out of the system somehow and pushed the piston back out to where it was stuck or had some sort of suction going on, but it works now. I just have to bleed it a little bit more, and hopefully we'll be back on the road. And so far, all right. So surprise, surprise, it's leaking, but I remembered that I never tightened the bleeder valve there. Must have bled itself of air. Let's just hope, this hole. Okay, tight. Okay, that rounded out. Okay, tightened up the bleeder. I also, when I ordered my parts off of Rock Auto, I got some new halogen 7-inch round headlights. Oh yeah. I didn't really need them, but I could definitely tell they were getting a little weak. And I think, GE, I don't think these came on Datsuns, the GE. But if you hear that, yeah, I think they were definitely on there. Well, they have been in the car for quite a long time. These look really nice. I think they're Wagner. A cool thing about this, you can roll this in front and you can adjust your headlights. Guess what? There ain't no adjusting headlights anymore on this car because those little adjuster screws and little plastic rivets are seized. And I don't like doing that stuff, so let's take this puppy out. With me, world of pure ultraviolet. Pump up the jam, pump it up. She got the monster stand, dude. There we go. Mid. Sure, there's no screws, nails. Good spot, Greg, to put the wood chipper. What in the world? How? It's time to get forklift certified here, folks. The old Yeller. That's mint right there, baby. As I freaking pierce the side of mustard. Hey, let there be lights. That's it right there. The side? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She's gonna take a couple cranks. Yeah, buddy. Ew. Yeah. I like those. Ugh. Smiles per gallon. Woo. All right. Sorry for all that dark footage. Watson's back on the road. Thank the Lord. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta let things sit, let it work out itself. And super thankful for you guys watching. So make sure you like, subscribe, turn on your little bell notification thing to get the latest uploads. So it is what it is. Anyways, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.